This question is to find the domain of a function involving the sum of two square roots. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. Find the domain of the function. Y equals the square root of sine x plus the square root of negative cosine x. First step, identify domain constraints. For both square roots to make sense in real numbers, the quantities inside each square root must be greater than or equal to 0. That means sine x must be greater than or equal to 0. And at the same time, cosine x must be less than or equal to 0. Next step, determine where these inequalities hold. These two conditions happen together only in the second quadrant of the unit circle, including the boundary lines. In that region, sine x is positive and cosine x is negative. Therefore, x belongs to all intervals that start from pi over 2 plus 2k pi and end at pi plus 2k pi, where k is any integer. Final answer. The domain is all x belonging to intervals from 2k pi plus pi over 2 to 2k pi plus pi for any integer k. Common mistake. Students often forget to include the endpoints where sine x equals 0 or cosine x equals 0. Since the square roots allow 0 inside, those boundary points must be included. When radicals involve both sine and cosine, picture their signs on the unit circle. Then simply pick the quadrant where both sign conditions are satisfied. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.